Next, in a quadrilateral ABCD, line segments bisecting C and D meet at E. Then angle A plus B will be equal to, see here what we have to prove is it will be equal to twice CED. That is what we have to prove. See here it's mentioned quadrilateral, not parallelogram or rhombus. It may happen that none of the sides are congruent. It can happen that also. Name this angle as 1 and this as 2. Now we'll solve this. We'll name this quadrilateral as ABCD for our convenience because it's easy to solve now. So 1 is half of C and 2 is half of D. Let's solve. See this, 1 equals to half C, 2 equals to half D. So in triangle DEC now, 1 plus 2 plus CED equals to 180 because angle sum of a triangle means all the sums are all the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. See this 1 plus 2 plus CED, that will be 180. So CED equals to what? Take this 1 and 2 on this side. 180 minus 1 plus 2, right? Now next, in